COVID-19 protocols state that when you come in contact with a COVID-19 positive individual, that you and everyone that you have been in contact with in the past 2 to 3 weeks should be tested for COVID-19. Variables are those that are asymptomatic, meaning you are seemingly healthy but definitely producing and shedding virus. Variables also could be, in this situation, vice versa. We consider Nature Boy being the source of the virus that Jabari contracted, but also Jabari could be the source of the virus that may be lying dormant in Sarnetta and Jabari and Garfield and subsequently their whole families and the people that they've been in contact with. Terrible situation. But don't let being a man worshiper cause you to contract a plague. Sarnetta, you need to be tested and you need to quarantine. Nature Boy, you need to be tested and you need to quarantine. Garfield, you need to be tested and you need to quarantine. And each and every one of you all have people that you have had contact with also, and they need to be tested and need to quarantine. This is very serious and very many orders of magnitude above most of the conscious community's intellect. We know most of you all have an intelligence quotient that is so low, it's almost negative. But heed proper warning. Sarnetta, get tested. Garfield, get tested. Nature Boy, get tested. And we already know Jabari has been tested, but all of you all's families need to be tested. Now, also, all of you all need to stop playing with God. Yes. Yes. Let this be a lesson to you. You were this whole last year just playing with God. Just playing with God, spitting in God's face if you could possibly do it. Jabari, before he contracted this, he was on camera praying to the dead, trying to mimic Joel Osteen. Sarnetta says to wipe your ass on the Bible, and Sarnetta says God is a megalomaniac. Well, is God worse than the COVID-19 plague? Get tested and stop playing with God. Peace.